Good morning, boys and girls, motorcycle fans, RC fans. First of all, look at this day. It's in the mid-70s, dry. I mean, you couldn't draw a more beautiful day than today. It's fantastic weather. Yesterday was the same. Got some updates. First of all, I'm learning more about videography all the time. And now I'm recording this at 1080 at 60 frames per second instead of 30 frames per second. We'll see what the new video quality is. My Will Toys 14414 or whatever it is, that racer had an unfortunate end yesterday. I was out with Shay and we were racing and we collided head on, and his truck is bigger than mine and mine little guy was destroyed. So I got a new truck coming, a new RC truck. And then the other thing is I have watched hours and hours and hours of YouTube videos on drones, and I have done research and looked at specs and prices and on and on and on. And you know, yeah, I can get a drone with everything I want for $1,000. That's been clear to me for a long time. But you know, money's tight always, and so anyway, cut to the chase. Hobson Zeno Pro, 3-axis gimbal, 4K video. It's relatively quiet, a lot quieter than a Mavic Air from what I can see. $400. 420 with extra batteries, the carry case, the whole thing. I don't believe it has obstacle avoidance, but it has everything else I want. So yeah, so I ordered that. So well, I should have a new drone and a new RC car, and I got 2 motorcycles. I got quite a toy collection going here. I'm thinking at some point I will trade those 2 motorcycles in on one motorcycle that's comfortable to ride long distances and has a little more power. But that's gonna be, my God, I've only had the Suzuki C50 for a few months. I gotta give it some time. Meanwhile, the Honda CB500X is a ball to zip around on. I've decided it's a little sport bike. Forget about off-road. You know, my 2015 has a smaller front wheel. It's got the wrong tires on it. It's got road tires on it. But as a little sport bike to bring it out, get up to 7,000 to 8,000 RPM, and just have a blast on it. It's really good for that. And if I want to go someplace, it takes an hour or more to get to. The Suzuki C50 is very comfortable. So C50, the thing that bothers me about the C50 is there's no top end, you know. You get up to the higher revs and there's just nothing there. And just the other day I was on a long stretch of country road, middle of nowhere, and I could barely get the bike up to 90 miles an hour. And in my opinion, a motorcycle should do 100 miles an hour. That's not a big ask. So the Suzuki C50 is good for now, but you know, there's always the next one. So I'm gonna run some errands, ride around a little bit, see what this 60 frame per second video looks like. Drone's on the way. The little JJRC H71 drone I bought is a blast, but the video's crap. You know, it's hardly usable. But high quality drone video is on the way. So, boys and girls, let's go for a little ride. I have no idea what this guy's doing. Honestly, what, do you just park there? Fuck. So, little dead end road here, but I'm having fun poking around. Ooh, look at that. I love that moss. Spanish moss. Always sucking my teeth like an old man. 'Cause I am an old man. There's always stuff stuck in my teeth, as you could imagine. Alright, so this didn't go anywhere.